CMD of Charishma and brand ambassador Mishti Mukherjee, and Arshad Vasi is there to wish them all the best because they are coming up with 4 new branches, one in Daman.
I'm also the partner of the Charishma itself, so let me tell you that.
Thank you. And another branch in Ahmedabad and one more in Bangalore. मिस्टी ब्रांड एम्बेसडर के बाद अभी आप बिजनेस पार्टनर हो गए, तो कैसा, मतलब ये क्या हुआ ब्रांड एम्बेसडर से आप पार्टनर हो गए, तो व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट?
All thanks to my dad. Because he can't run around so many business at a time, so I have to look after it. So, and thanks to Bhaiya also, he's looking after so well. And chalo, let's speak to Mr. Raswatji now.
Do you need? Do I need a mic? You can hear me. Okay, so my fact, for me it's very simple. I know Mishti for a long time now, and she's getting into movies also apparently. So all that is happening, so I know of her different point of view. And this is good, yeah, this is good that she's getting into all this. And for me, I like all this. Free mein jaake facial hair kara lenge.
And pedicure, manicure.
Muft mein sab kaam ho jayega. Good to know these kind of people. Yeah, all the best. I just wish them all the best and good various branches. And there are so many of them, coming up now in Bombay and all of the places. And I like them. It's great fun.
अर्षद जी, ये बताइए कि अभी इतने सारे पार्टनर्स अभी बॉम्बे में इतने सारे स्पार्स हैं, शिल्पा शेट्टी विद ओएसिस एंड ऑल, तो आर यू गोइंग टू बी अ पार्ट एज अ ब्रांड एम्बेसडर और
I don't think I'm as good looking as Shilpa Shetty to be a brand ambassador for anything, but I think I do attain a lot. I mean, actually my wife puts me through. She shoves me down for a massage, which is good. It's nice. I'm not too into it, but yeah, I feel it's a great thing. Yeah. It's like I sometimes desperately need to pamper myself when I go into it. So for me, and especially in a city like Bombay where there's so much of stress level, the more spas, the better it is.
And your movie is coming on 29th of Jan, Ishqiya, and you have a different look in that movie. तो ये शेव करने के लिए आप चरिश्मा आएंगे?
यार इतने अच्छे स्पार पहुंचा की दुकान मार दी। 29 is Ishqiya and देखते हैं उसके बाद शायद आ जाऊँ शेव करने के लिए।
Any question? Thank you. Now you can have one-to-one.
है कि जो ये चरिश्मा ब्यूटी स्पा है, इसके लिए आप मिस्टी को विश करने आए हैं, तो व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न बिहाइंड इट?
Simple. Mishti is an old friend of mine and promised her once that if you ever do something interesting, things or completely you ever need me, call me, I'll be there. And I'm sticking to my word. And she started something interesting, a nice spa. Interesting. So she called me and said, can you come and say all the best? I'm sure I can come and say all the best. And I'm here to say that.
थैंक यू सर। मिष्टी, आप बताइए कि पहले आप ब्रांड एम्बेसडर थी, आप बिज़नेस पार्टनर हो गई हैं ऑल ब्रांचेज ऑफ चरिश्मा, तो ये ब्रांड एम्बेसडर से बिज़नेस पार्टनर का सफ़र कैसा रहा?
I feel for us, every actors, you have to be a businessman first, because a movie is a business and everything is business. So I want to learn business and acting.
ओके, तो अब आपने
It leads you to success because the business leads you everywhere. So I need to learn everything before I step out of the acting, So acting, I can give it best, I can say that, because a young achiever.
ओके, आपने 8 म्यूज़िक वीडियो बहुत कम समय में कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं, 2 साउथ की मूवी साइन कर ली है, 4 हिंदी फिल्में आपकी हो गई हैं, तो इतने कम समय में इतना अचीवमेंट कर लिया, साथ ही साथ अब ब्रांड एम्बेसडर से बिज़नेस की तरफ और ये भी ब्यूटी स्पा की तरफ जहाँ पे और ब्यूटिफिकेशन होगा, आपने ख़ुद अपने बहुत आपने लगता है कि ब्यूटी टिप्स लिए हैं लोगों से, और तो ये जो सफ़र है, जर्नी है, मतलब कैसा लग रहा है, और हाउ यू डू द डील विथ मानिक सोनी?
Mr. Manik Soni, there is no words to talk about him. He is a wonderful person to be with. And I feel he's the best person ever I have come across. And he's a very good who gave me a good idea. Yeah, see, this is your career, but you can still look after business as well. Because he was giving me a good future thing, what I felt. And after that, about beauty things, see, there's a lot of things we need to learn which we don't know. Sometimes we do a lot of makeup, but it doesn't go well. but everything has the steps, you know. Like everything has to be raw. From raw, we learn the cooking. So it's the same technique in the beauty and spa as well.
मिस्टर ये बताइए कि जैसे ब्यूटी स्पा में आते हैं तो अभी आपके स्पा में आने के लिए सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ क्या है जो दूसरों के पास नहीं है? डाइट के बारे में आपने कुछ बताया था।
Yes,
उसके अलावा योगा के बारे में कुछ आप लोग करने वाले हैं योगा से रिलेटेड वहाँ पे?
Yes, the yoga is like Mr. Subir, and he will be taking part of that. He's my trainer, Mr. Subir. And about the diet food, we're taking the tips from US because that's, I think, with the spa, it's a very few places you get this diet food in spa. So this is the first time we are coming with Charishma with the diet food and everything. So I would like to call Mr. Manik Soni also along with me. Please come in.
Like I told you, I started Charishma 10 years back in Bangalore, expanded to Nagpur, Bombay, Patti, and now we are coming up with one more setup in Bangalore and coming up shortly in Indore, Ahmedabad and Daman and many more cities. And I'm really glad and happy to get associated with Mr. Mukherjee, where we are like family friends and we have all grown together. We know each other from childhood. We are all born and brought up together in Bangalore. And she's really a dynamic lady and she's a very, I don't have any words, she's such a good